Am I recording? Okay. I had to use yours. I'm sorry. Mine's ain't
No
working.
problem.
It turned around this way. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. T Hi. What you been doing? You been a good girl?
Oh no.
Hey, this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn.
You fine.
Put your arm around. I'm not gonna cut you.
Dion, move here.
Kill her. I don't want to get sicker than what I am.
Oh.
Y'all look good. Hey, don't move yet. Shut up on that.
I record that part. Turn this way.
Jasmine, turn this way.
Turn this way.
Just
A
put it
little
on
one.
while you out and then.
Hey, lemon head. Okay, sure. So hi. Looking for cupcake?
Remember the guy that used to live next door to us when we lived in Hilltop? You do. With the wife and she had the daycare? He worked at True Green. Yeah, he worked at True Green. He working the other day. I was like, are you here for your second interview? He was like, nah, today's my first day.
Hello.
Are you a little cold then? Yes, am I? I'm gonna call. I stay cold anyway.
Don't do this.
Go inside, Nicole. Go inside. Put on the heat one, Nicole.
The heat. I'm burning up.
None of my kids went to the prom. Huh? You'll live. You put the heat in, right? So you can. Oh, shut up.
Back in my day, we had the big cummerbund Jones, shirt, powder blue. That's it.
That was like 50 years ago.
Exactly. That's about right. 50 years ago.
Yeah, you can throw that on while you. And then when you get inside, you can take it off.
Oh.
Come here, move.
Should have YouTubed that one.
I got it.
That is horrible.
Check you out.
Yeah, I know.